Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Cantoma. I'm from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number, or you can call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today let's design a reinforced concrete tank stand, like an overhead tank. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Okay, firstly I'll come to new project and I'm going to call this tank. Alright, then I'll come to my orthogonal axis generator and I'll make this one, make this 2.5, make this 2.5 as well, and to be times 1. Alright, so I'll pick on my column. Let's say I pick a 300 let me go 350, sorry, circular column. Okay, nice. But then I'm going to insert, let's say I insert 5 stories, and I'll come to my story here and I'll click on edit story. This one I'm going to make it 800. Okay, so I'll click on 3D plan model. Okay, then I will click on story 1. Okay, then I'm going to generate these whole columns to story 4. Okay, that has been generated. I'll come to my view here and I'll click on tile vertical. Okay, so you can see what we have here. Alright, so let's insert our beams. Let me pick a 300, 400 size of beam. Let me generate these beams to other stories. Nice. And then on my story 4, I'm on story 4 right now. Come to the property, I will insert a drop for these columns. make it 500. To centralize it, 250. Make here also 500. To centralize, I'll make it 250. The height of this drop, I'll also make it 500, and I'll close. Now you can see what we have. Alright, so at this level now we are going to have this slab to actually cantilever out. So I'll make it like 600. So I'll offset 600. I'll also offset this. Press F2, 600. Similarly for this, here will be minus 600 because I'm going horizontal left. If I'm going down vertically, alright, I can just use my polyline to trace around this. Then I can insert a slab. Let's say this slab is 200. Oh, yeah, nice. So you can see what we have. Don't forget, I've not loaded this. We are definitely going to do that later as we proceed. Alright, so we now have our model. I'll come to my columns. Alright, let me centralize this. $2,500 divided by 2, that would be 1,250. So F21250. Then here now I'll set F2, make this 400. I actually want to insert the ladder. Okay, so I want to have a ladder at the center here, and this will be more like the opening. We are going to have an opening here where you can actually just easily move to the top of this particular tank for probably cleaning or any maintenance. Okay, so let's come back to the story 5. Alright, here now I'll have to insert my rails. Okay, let's come to this point first. Let me insert the ladder first. I'll pick this cross section. You can see for British, you can see this is the lowest you can have. Then if you go to your Euro, you will find other smaller cross section. So and pick, you can run your design. If it fails, you know that probably need to change the cross section. So if I have this way, I can as well mirror it use a mirror, and I will select this and I'll click on OK. So you can see it has mirrored this for me. Then this, since I have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll go to the properties and I'll lean to 4 and I'll click on OK. Now you can see it has gone down to the ground floor level. Okay, so next thing I will do is to insert the steps, which I will use my guts. So come to this sag rod and I'll make it none, and I'll come to the geometry spacing here. Let's say 300, because 1000 is going to be much. There's no way you can put your foot on 1000 spacing. Okay, so 300 is okay. So let's see what we have. Nice. So we have this. Let's go to 5. But all these cross sections, you know, after running your design for your steel, you'll be able to know if it is actually too high. Maybe you will need to change the steel cross section. That's after you have done your analysis and your design, even when it passes. But if the cross section is high, you'll be able to know. I've talked about it before. We are definitely going to trash it in the next episode of this particular video. But let me show you how to insert these rails here. We are going to be inserting the rail because of wind. Alright, to do that, I'll come to, okay, I'm in story 5 now. I'll come to steel column and I'll pick let's go back to BS. Let me pick something. Okay. And column. Oh, you can see it's actually going down. Setting here. So I'm supposed to. Oh, story 5. Sorry, let me come back to. Something is wrong. DZ. Should go this here. Edit story. This is 800. Here. It's supposed to be 1, please. Okay, this is standing by the edge of this. I can actually use something. Let me offset this by, actually may not need this particular axis here. Okay, but I can't delete it because of other members that are attached to it. So I'll make this 150. I'll set another 150. I'll offset here 150. Okay, this has to be minus 150. And then here I'll also offset minus 150. Okay, great. So I'll place it here instead. Place this one here. Place this one here. Now place this one here. Okay. Great. But you know, I will not need this. Let me measure this. You know, we said we are inserting. Okay, 800. Perfect. This is where I want it. I will double click here. Okay. It's not working. Go to this and this. So let's see what we have here in the 3D model. Okay, perfect. Alright. So you can add more. Okay, you can add more of this pole. You can have them more, as much as many that you want. Okay, but for the sake of this class, let me just narrow it to having what I have like this. So if I come to my guts here, pick here, hold on control and pick the other one. So space 300. Let's see. Okay, hold on control, hold on control, and then hold on control, hold on control. Alright, so this is exactly what I'm going to have. Okay, nice. So if you love what you are seeing, just like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. Post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, this is ground to 34. At this story, I'm supposed to have like a beam that will hold this. Okay, because this is just hanging like this, which is definitely not going to stay. So to do that, come to my steel beam and I'm going to pick. Okay, let me just go with this cross section. 3, 4. Thought I'm in story. Beam. Okay. So let me have these from here now. To this. Oh. No. These are 0. Dates. Okay, just now generate member to story 1 and story 2. Click on yes, click on okay. Alright, okay, good. So if you love what you're seeing, just like this video, give me the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, make sure you stay safe and stay blessed.